H2O, H2O. All right, B, where are we right now?
Molly Pitcher, something. What do they call this?
I don't know. We're in New Jersey, I think.
We're at a rest stop.
So we're on our way to the world's most ticketed car show ever, and that is
H2O.
So, I mean, technically, H2O is not happening, but the week still happened. So, me, B-Hall, Steffi, B-Hall's brother-in-law, are on our way down to Ocean City, Maryland for the next 3 days to have an amazing time. Now, the E36, I was trying to get to make it to the show, or the week, whatever you want to call it. Unfortunately, it just wasn't there. It's whatever. Setting that goal did force me to get a lot done on that car, and I'm very happy for us.
Progress to the E36. I'm eating with my mouth open, and I'm talking while I'm eating, but
you're gross.
It's cool.
For you guys who don't know what H2OY is, at this point it's turned into just like a week of gathering for car guys.
If you don't know, you're gonna find out soon. It's like a movie. Stay tuned.
It's pretty reckless. So you're gonna see a lot. Hey, get the f up!
We're in the middle of a fucking shoot, you piece of shit.
So yeah, all right. We're heading down there. I'm excited. Let's hit the road. Well, I'm hopping in with you.
Okay.
So we're about 35 minutes out. Are you pumped or what?
Pumped, dude.
This is what, like your 5th, 6th, 7th year guy?
I think probably. Well, I've been going since 2010, I think. So it'll be my 8th year.
You're an OG. Yeah. Your first sick car.
This thing is almost sick.
We're officially here.
We made it.
We're down the board.
We're in Ocean City. This feels great. I feel at home. All right.
So we're staying somewhere near the center. 40 to 50 Street is usually where it's at. That's all I'm saying.
Yeah, we're staying, all right?
We're staying. We're chilling.
Thanks, Jimmy. Daily content for the guys. As long as my laptop works tonight and we get Wi-Fi, we're gonna do some uploads for you guys.
Oh, yeah. So tonight is like the night that everyone kind of rolls in, everyone that has a job, and then tomorrow and Saturday are the big days. That's B-Hall's cup of tea right there.
Well, if you have the keys, I'm gonna get my bags.
Here it is. Hey, this is awesome.
Isn't it so cute? Like, look how cute it is.
Wow,
Boom!
great view. What kind of pillows are these? These are half pillows.
I brought my own.
Yeet.
Yeah.
Good old-fashioned body man car wash here.
What are you?
Yeah, man, your glass clean everything.
Right? Makes it clean as
It's like
glass.
Windex. Almost hit that bitch.
Yeah.
You know Bax?
What's good? How you been?
How you been, man?
Hey, I've been alright. I just stepped in a fucking cupcake though. Look. I'm dead ass. I stepped in that stuff. Are you serious?
Alright, so guys went out to go get some booze and do all that stuff. So Steffi and I are gonna run up to Don's hotel to go see what they're up to, say hi to the friends and everything. Thursday's kind of like the quiet night, kind of. So it's a good time to just catch up with people, get familiar with where everyone is. And then tomorrow and Saturday gets a little ridiculous. So every year the law enforcement gets crazier and crazy here. They literally put up these barriers. You see these right here? Because of this damn show. Like the whole strip. Imagine how much money that costs. And they literally limited the speed limit just for this week to 35 miles per hour versus 30. Like 30 when it's usually like 45, which is crazy. So they changed all those damn signs.
And they increase all the speed tickets. Way up.
Gotta love it.
It's only been a 30-second walk.
Was your car too sick or what?
Yeah, no, I didn't move over when there was a cop pulled over. So.
Oh damn.
Anything.
Yes, sir. Hey Don.
Yeah, that's hilarious.
Hi, Jimmy.
Nice view.
Right?
Oh, hey Damien. Hey Callie.
Hi.
Party's here.
Party's here.
Party's here.
Damn, dude. Already. I mean, this is every corner.
Literally every fucking corner.
I wonder what he got, because that thing's like stuck.
Dude, the taillight was out.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh, was he? Okay, that's his fault. That's his fault. You deserve that ticket, homie. I'm sorry. Mike!
Yo!
What's up, homie?
What's up?
Can you dap me? Come on.
I'm 5'8", dude. Come on.
Come on. Hey! Get your ass up here, boy.
What up, dude?
What's up, homie? Oh my God. I'm so happy to see you. This. Oh, you got the expensive John on here.
I'm actually doing an after movie. I just didn't want to carry my gimbal.
My media. Link in description. Check them out.
Cheers! Having good times, good people.
Damn, that was weak. Come on, Ian. Hey. Damn, Nick Rich. Damn. Where are we going?
50 bit!
Why?
Because it's crazy!
Perfect. We got.
Calm down! When do we want it?
Now.
My brain is slow, so I was trying to think of something funnier to say, and I thought of nothing.
You're on camera right now.
Want to buy some lamps?
Celica.
I love Toyota Solaris, dude.
So Crispy's out here and kind of provoking people.
What? No, that's unethical.
It's this thing.
That's very wrong, okay?
Yeah.
because Mike's here,
Whose
that's
fault was
why.
that, huh, Mike? Huh?
Huh?
Hey, you're in the way.
I'm sorry.
Thanks, bud.
Yeah, absolutely.
Absolutely.
That's what I'd show up with. Catch me on my 10-speed, boy.
Some dude's about to get arrested.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
That was a ball. Yo, I told you someone was about to get arrested.
Oh yeah. I thought he was tough.
Rip to that guy's license. Damn, man. That ain't gonna be a cheap ticket. Right, can we do this to my S13?
Yeah, I've been wanting to do this.
Look at this thing. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. I've been watching this car come together for the past like 2 years. It's beautiful. I love it. I love it so much. Hey, I think I spotted something that looks familiar.
I did.
This one's pretty cool.
Look how tiny it is. I know.
Look at that wing. Look how badass that wing is. Oh my God. The problem with these is they have saggy butts. Well, this wing fixes it. Oh, Steffi.
I want another one. This is so good.
We'll find you a nice one.
Can we find who owns this one? Do you see the license plate too?
Yeah.
Caffeinated? Fucking want that. It's Bumblebee right here.
You know what that is?
What?
More than you could afford, pal.
Hey, Jimmy.
She didn't get it. Sweet.
You're really gonna drink that at like 10 o'clock?
Should I just leave it here? I don't want it. Alright, so we're ending the night a little early. I still am not fully recovered from me being sick, so I'm gonna get a good night's sleep tonight, so hopefully tomorrow I feel better. So, first day in Ocean City, Thursday night. Nice, calm, fun night, nothing too crazy. So, like I said, tomorrow's gonna be a really big day, and I'm really excited. So we're gonna see some cool cars, gonna be some cool people, gonna do some cool things, and hopefully not get arrested. So, I'm gonna end the video here. So you guys know the deal. Steffi,
Like, comment,
subscribe, stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Take a drink, Jimmy. Drink some water.
Cheers.